What's up, crew? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I have an awesome video in store for you right now. Today I'm going to show you how to style your hair without any hair products whatsoever. Let's get started. Alright guys, so before we jump into today's video, I want to give a huge shout out to today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. They literally make all of my necklaces, all of my chains, bracelets. They literally have any accessory that you could ever want to improve your style game. Literally guys, I wear this stuff on a daily basis and it is some of my absolute favorite pieces that I own. So if you want to check out Rose Gold and Black, there will be a link for you in the description to click on. If you click on that link, everything on the website is already discounted for you. You don't have to enter any type of discount codes, nothing, it's already done. Click on that link, head over to rosegoldandblack.com and get yourself some of the most high quality jewelry on the market right now. Alright, so like I said, today I'm going to be showing you how to style your hair without any hair products whatsoever. Sort of. Now I am going to be using pre-styling products mainly to give my hair some texture, but I'm not going to be going in with any clays, wax, pomades, or anything like that. This is going to be a quick on the go, I need to run out the door hairstyle tutorial. So first thing I need to do is shampoo and condition my hair. Let's do that right now. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have just shampooed and conditioned my hair. I pretty much got it all the way dry here with a towel, and that's what I want because the pre-style that I'm going to use for this hairstyle tutorial is the Pete and Pedro Salt. So like I said, we are using a pre-styler here, not a hair product, just to give my hair a little bit of texture so it doesn't lay flat and look boring and dull and stiff. So I am gonna evenly coat this throughout my head and I'm gonna basically just resaturate my hair and make it all the way wet again with this hairspray. Alright, and once it's all the way saturated, you can feel it's like your hair is pretty much all the way wet again. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my comb just to evenly distribute this product as much as I possibly can. Alright, so then once you've used the comb, go ahead and toss that to the side. After that, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna let this dry. So go get ready for work, do whatever you gotta do, and then we'll come back and we'll see the final results. Alright, so at this point, your hair should pretty much be all the way dry like mine is right now, but if it's not quite all the way there yet, you can get a towel like I'm about to do and just dry it off a little bit more. And you want to try not to go in too aggressively with this towel because you'll just rub all the product out of your hair. So I'm just going to lightly go in and bunch in the parts that feel a little bit wet still. So the last thing for you to do is just to go in and mess up your hair. Style it however you want to style it, pull it whatever way you want to pull it. For me, I'm gonna push everything forward, texturize the midsection, and give my hair like this nice swoosh effect over to the side, this nice wave. That's kind of the way that I like my hair to flow whenever I don't have that much product in it or have that natural kind of beach vibe look. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And this is pretty much the final result. I've let my hair dry naturally a little bit more. It's just got a little bit of dampness in it still, but once it dries out all the way, I will be able to achieve a little bit more volume than what I have right now. But here are the final results. Alright guys, and that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Now you know how to style your hair very quick, very easy, without using any products whatsoever. So, if you like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Join the crew family. We are growing every single day on YouTube, and it would be dope to have you as a part of the crew. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up down below. Drop your comments in the comment section, and I will see you guys next week. I'm out.